Hello student, in this video we are going to learn where does water come from. Can you tell? Choose the correct answer and put a tick mark next to the proper picture. If your answer is different from all of the given picture, write it in empty box. First picture, look at here everyone. What do you drink water from? So you'll put tick mark whichever things you are using for drinking water. Second, what is this drinking water stored in? So put tick mark. If your answer is empty, then give the reason why this empty boxes is here. Okay? Here, where do you think this stored drinking water come from? So put tick mark if you are thinking this stored water will come from well, dam, river, pond, and this is tap. So we'll put tick mark. Okay. Can you tell where does all this water come from? क्या मतलब आप बता सकते हो कि ये सारे वाटर कहाँ से आते हैं? द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन इज रेन. सभी बोलेंगे रेन से आता है. ऑल द वाटर दैट वी गेट कम फ्रॉम रेन. जो भी हमें वाटर मिलता है वो रेन से आता है. नंबर वन, व्हेन इट्स रेन सम वाटर फ्लो ओवर द ग्राउंड गिविंग राइज टू रिवोल्यूट्स, stream and river. Some water collect in low laying area, thus the lake are formed. A flowing river is sometimes blocked by building a wall. This is called dam. When it's when it doesn't rain, the water from the dam can be used. Some rainwater seeps into a ground. To obtain the water, we dig the wells. This water can also be taken out by using hand pump, bore wells. Sometimes water in the ground come out in the form of spring. Some sources of water are formed naturally. However, places like wells and dams are man-made. If rainfalls decreases, the water stored in these places also decreases. You can see such a water sources in your locality, taluka or district. Study the district map given alongside of complete the activities. See, तो मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर क्या है? रेन है. रेन से ही वाटर होता है, लेक में जाता है और स्ट्रीम में जाता है, रिवर में जाता है और वही वाटर हमारे ग्राउंड में लोअर लाइन एरिया में चला जाता है और वो स्टोर होता है. बाद में हमें जब यूज होता है तो हम उसे लाइक डिग करके वहाँ से वाटर निकालते हैं. कभी कभी वेल भी बनता है, वेल से भी वाटर निकालते हैं. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट, हाउ इज़ द वाटर फॉर्म and how does it flow? Rain also fall in high place like mountain. This rainwater flow downhill. Second, numerous rivulets of water flowing downhill join together to form a river. A river flow down mountain and plateau through the valley and over the plain. Water bodies, flowing water and store of water are example of water body. Spring, stream, river, lake, reservoir, creeks, seas, and ocean are the water bodies. Landform, due to the high and low level of land at the different places, land get different form. mountain, peaks, hillocks, plateau, plains, plain, passes, and valley are some of the landform. Do you know where a spring come from? Rainwater seeps into the ground. It seeps deep in the ground through crack in the soil and rock. Even under the ground, it flow from higher level to lower level. This groundwater come out the ground in some places. This is what we call a spring. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि लो लाइन एरिया में वाटर जल्दी से चला जाता है और वहाँ गड्ढों में चला जाता है, धीरे 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 डिगो के अंदर चला जाता है, उसे ही हमें स्प्रिंग कहते हैं. ट्राई दिस. अभी यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी हो जो आपको करना है. टेक अ 3 बॉटल ऑफ द सेम शेप्स. 3 बॉटल लो सेम शेप के. फिल वन बॉटल टू द ब्रिम विथ वाटर. एक बॉटल में थोड़ा पानी लो. इमेज दैट यू आर द ओनली वन यूजिंग ऑल दिस वाटर. आप इमेज करो कि आप ही ये हो जो इस वाटर को यूज़ कर रहे हो. दिस मीन यू कैन यूज़ ऑल द वाटर इन द बॉटल. इमेज करो कि आप ही सब पानी आप ही यूज़ करने वाले हो. नाउ fill the second bottle with the water. Image that another student of your class will do यूज़ द वाटर विथ यू. दूसरा बॉटल फिल करो और इमेज करो कि मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड हम दोनों पानी को यूज़ करें. डिवाइड द वाटर इक्वली इनटू 2 पार्ट. अभी वाटर को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. आपको भी यूज़ करना है, आपके फ्रेंड को भी यूज़ करना है. नाउ सी हाउ मच वाटर यू गेट. अभी देखना है कि आपको कितना वाटर चाहिए. If this water less or more than the amount of you had the first time. जैसे फर्स्ट टाइम आपने कितना पानी यूज़ किया जब अलोन थे, और आपका फ्रेंड आने पे आपने कितना पानी यूज़ किया, यो इमेज करना. नाउ फिल द थर्ड बॉटल. इमेज द 4 other student in your class beside you will use the water. आप इमेज करो कि 4 और बच्चे आपके साथ आए और वो उतनी पानी को यूज़ करें. नाउ यू विल हैव टू डिवाइड द वाटर इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट. आपको 5 उतनी पानी को 5 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. नाउ सी हाउ मच योर शेयर ऑफ वाटर इज द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर यू हैव दिस टाइम लेस और मोर देन first 2 times. Think about what this happened. Water solution. Rahul and Saguna drink water after playing. They wash their hand and feet. They bath every morning and wash their plates after eating. However, they use much water while doing these things. Their mother scold them. They wonder how they should use water carefully. What good idea can you give them for using water carefully? You think and give some idea how to use water economically. How we'll use our money economically, like that we'll use our water very 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 economically. Always remember, if you collect rainwater, Mausram and Chirapunji, 2 parts of India which receive the highest rainfall in the world. In the summer, however, there is a shortage of water in those parts. The something occur in the Konkan region, Maharashtra. This is because adequate efforts are not made to store rainwater. Storing rainwater will help solve this problem. Okay, student. Do you know pipelines are used to carry water from distant well, lake, and water tank to our home. In some area, water is also supplied through tankers. What you have learned. Now we'll discuss what you have learned one by one. First, all all the water we get is rainwater, river, lake, spring, and form because of the rain. Second, river starts in high places like mountain and flow downhill. Second, it is necessary to collect rainwater. Okay, student. Now I hope you all understand. Three questions are there. You easily find the answer in that and write the answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching.